Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Lechon pork belly. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have pork belly here. These are thawed already. We got green onions. We got lemongrass or tanglad. We have sugar, garlic powder, salt, pepper. We have star anise, and we got red onions here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare the pork belly here. We're gonna mix all the ingredients, and then we'll set this into our oven. We're gonna bake this for 2.5 hours at 400 degrees, and until it's really tender and juicy. Okay, and then after that we will bake it again or for 470 degrees Fahrenheit to make the outer part or the skin crunchy and golden brown. So let's proceed to cooking. Next step is we will dry the meat. Okay, so we're gonna remove all the moist, dry it with paper towel. Okay, all right. Next step, we're gonna use this barbecue stick. We're gonna connect because these are two pieces. We're gonna connect the pork belly so it will be in one piece. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will just do like this. There you go, and then connect it to the other side here. Okay, it's easy. All right. All right, so probably we're gonna put 3 sticks here and 3 sticks on the other side. Now the bellies are 2 pieces of bellies here are connected already. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all the ingredients. Okay, we got the garlic powder. Okay, garlic powder. All right, it'll be tasty. And put salt. Okay, like that. All right, and then we'll do the pepper, black pepper. All right. All right, and then just a little of sugar, just some drizzle of sugar here. All right, that should be good. Next step, we will put the tanglad or lemongrass in the middle. Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay. Now we will we put the lemongrass in there and the onions, the green onion, and then we're gonna roll this pork belly to form a big roll of meat. We're gonna secure it with our kitchen twine, and then we will continue to bake it. Now here's the pork belly. We secured it with the kitchen twine. So we rolled it up, and then we're gonna set the our baking pan, and then we're gonna bake this. Now we have our baking pan here with water. We're gonna put our onions, the red onions. Okay. All right. And then we're gonna put 3 or 4 star anise. Okay. Okay. That's it. And then we will put the grill here. Okay, and we're gonna set the meat on top. All right, there you go. And then we're gonna cover this with foil tight, and we're gonna put it in our oven and bake it for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 2.5 hours. Now we covered it with foil. Our oven is preheating to 400 degrees, and we're gonna stick this into our oven. Bake it for 2.5 hours. Here's the finished product. Lechon pork belly. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.